Create your own. Use these glue-on false nail tips to create your own original nail designs. Glue them on, file to any shape and length, and add nail polish or nail art. 100 long nails and curve overlap style includes 10 sizes for up to 5 manicures. Easy application. Nails glue on easily for a professional-looking manicure in minutes. Nail glue sets in 4 seconds and keeps nails bonded in place until you take them off. Durable, easy to remove, and wear for up to 7 days. Won't damage your natural nails. Stick with KISS. Our press-on and glue-on nails take minutes to apply and they wear for up to a week. Fake nails go right on over your own nails with no mess or fuss. Also try our KISS PowerFlex Nail Glue, sold separately. Fun nails that wow. Get in on the hottest shapes, lengths, and custom nail art designs. With French designs, salon dip, acrylic nails, gel manicures, glue-on nails, press-on manicures and more, KISS is always on trend with the latest colors and finishes. Be KISS confident. We're a global leader in professional quality beauty products and treatments. With iconic brands sold in over 100 countries, we empower beauty enthusiasts to bring the salon home. Top reviews from the United States. The best. I have been doing my own nails for 25 years. I developed a system that takes 20 minutes and lasts for 2 to 3 weeks, if you get the right nails. I have tried many brands, they split, break, etc. These nails are perfect. Perfect curve, shape, length and never ever break, and I do mean almost never.